in Osama City. You're watching One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with information, news, sports, and public affairs. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with love. Ang telebisyong pangmasa. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. One TV special report.
Today is the New Year's Eve, no, for the year of the horse nga Chinese lunar New Year. So karon this is the first time nga ang LGU nato together with the Filipino-Chinese Chamber of Commerce nagkahiusa o nagplano, nag-organize sa ingon ani nga okasyon, inani nga pag-celebrate sa ato ang New Year. So karon nakita nato sa ato ang likod na atay arc nga kaning Borgo Street ato ning gi-close na para every night na atay activity dinhi na atay Chinese New Year Night Bazaar mo ato ang tawag. So every night from 5 o'clock to 10 p.m. naatay makita diri nga mga booths nga nagbaligya og lain-lain nga mga pagkaon, butang na related to celebrating Chinese New Year. So later makita siguro nato natay mga tikoy diha mapalit, natay mga Chinese delicacies nga available sa ato ang mga viewers, sa ato ang mga manuruyay sa atong taga Osamis nga naa karon.
As a Filipino-Chinese concept,
Yes.
mahinungdanon ang kanyang celebration para sa Chinese.
Always good ni siya namo nga i-celebrate, especially sa Chinese community kay mura pud ni siya og time nga ting pauli, time nga ting uli sa ilang balay, ang family magkaiusa, mag-share og dinner and together sila nga magtagbo sa New Year. So tonight is the New Year's Eve. So most of you will see later that most of the Chinese community are wearing red dresses.
So ipakita na to diri ang kaning mga traditions ng mga Chinese.
Oo, aron ma-share na to sa itong mga katawhan kay diri sa Osamis dugay-dugay naman gyud kayo ang Chinese community din hino since butang ta og 80 years, 90 years ago naa na ang mga Chinese community dihin nag-business.
So kani concern is sundan naman gyud nato ni wala possible next year o sa mga sunod dumamigaw pa sa mga
atong gitan-aw karon nga bibo kayo, sadya kayo din wa pa ganita nagsugod daghan na ang nanganhi kay excited sa sila mo tan-aw og unsay mga hitabo karon dinhi sa ato ang city, and this is the first time also nga ato ang city ning fully support the kalihukan of the Filipino-Chinese Chamber of Commerce gani ang ato ang LGU mooy nag help og put up aning ato mga decor karon.
Imo minsa ko na sa konsehal imo pagdapit no pag-invite sa mga mo bisita.
Akong gi-invite not only ang taga Osamis but also ato ang mga neighboring towns and cities to come over and celebrate Chinese New Year with us here in Osamis City, Asenso, Osamis. Thank you so much.
Karon is Chinese New Year's Eve sa Chinese calendar. So upon sa ato ang request sa ato ang Asenso Osamis nga LGU, gi-grant nila and gi-allow nila nga ato ang isirado ni nga street for our 1 week activity. So kada hapon alas 5 hangtod alas 10 sa gabi We will be here. Na ay mga stalls, na ay mga entertainment. So I would like to invite everyone to come. And sa amoa diri sa being a Filipino-Chinese growing up in Osami City in the Philippines, isa ni siya ka dako nga kalipay sa amoang community nga gihatagan og importansya ang amoang culture because we're Filipinos, but at the same time we also have our heritage bitaw pod. So diri sa ato ang Chinese New Year, at least ma-share po namo ang unsay naa sa Chinese culture. So because diri man sa Philippines, ang kasagara nato ma-experience nga Chinese culture is the food. Kay daghan naman tawag Chinese food sa Philippines. But karon among gipakita katupag yung mga dili common nato nga mga Chinese foods. Data diri, if mo bisita mo, you will understand nga unsay katong dili common because usually atong naandan is siopaw, chowpan, siomai. Pero karon kung moanhi mo diri, you will see food like century egg, naatay bachang. Bachang means katong kung sa ato apang Filipino, that's called katong Valencia rice bitaw nga katong pilit. Pero naa siya Chinese style, naa siya humba sa sulod. So ingana ang atong timpla. So aside from that, we have fried tikoy, we have masi. Because I know daghan ta makakita ta na maligig tikoy, but I don't know if nakasulay ba ta o kanang giprito siya nga pina-Chinese style. So again, if you come here, makasulay mo nga unsay difference food bitaw because we have authentic Chinese chefs nga muluto para sa ato adere. So ang amo karon for tonight, if makaapas pa ang mga tao, I don't know if makaapas pa sila, we have festivities tonight. It's free, it's open to anyone. And then of course atong food, let's pay the vendors, pero ang ato entertainment is free. So kana siya, again, we would like to thank our good mayor si Attorney Sam Fuentes for not just allowing this, pero iyang gisuportaan sa pamaagi nga siya mo ining finance sa atong design, siya mo ining finance sa ato ang arko. So sa amo ang nga end ning gamay-gamay pud ang amo ang expenses. So ang amo lang is we opened it up to the local vendors pod sa Osami City, not just to our members. We have our members and we have non-members nga ni-appeal ani. Okay, so if you can see natin mga common faces dira nga local vendors nato. I think for me that's all.
Pila ka boxer ka mga negosyo ang ning apil nato karon?
Actually sir, sa na accommodate lang gyud nato honestly is nara sa mga 30, less than 35. Pero ang ning request gyud sa ato ang mo put up og stall diri sa ato is naa sa mga 80 ka buok. So daghan kining message sa page, daghan kay nag-personal message sa mga members. Pero unfortunately, since this is still our first year, trial pa ta, we only accommodated kung unsa lay kaya diri. Now, initially our plan was i-extend pa na to all the way padulong dito sa Onghok, padulong dito sa Tumoy. But ang atuwa lang is we just play conservative for now. Pero if this continues in the next years, I'm sure nga makadako niya atong activity. Because for now pa lang, mura gwapo ato ang response. Daghan og nag-message, daghan og nag-comment nga manganhi sila. So I think this is something that Osamis really would benefit from, kay mudala siya og tourism, mudala siya og kabibo. Because this is always what people are looking for. Ang people mangita magyud og kalingaw, mangita og pagkaon.
Live band kanunay tabag 22?
It's not everyday nga na live band, but naatay mga entertainments almost every day. So for tonight, this is the main event manggod kay mo man ato ang tagbo gyud sa New Year. So naatay live band, naatay performance from our MUHS students, now known as to be Moifi, and then naatay alumni nga mo kanta, naapod tay Lion Dance. Atong Lion Dance team will be here, and then ang atong last part we will have fireworks display.
Lastly sir, nganong nata diri sa Burgos Street, na consider ba nato ang Burgos Street is usab ito sa mga Chinatown kung tawagon dito sa Manila, dinhi sa Osami?
The reason sir kung nganong diri ta sa Burgos Street is because ang kaning Burgos Street considered to be ang karaan business center for the Filipino-Chinese community. So i-base na to sa history sa ato ang mga elderly. According to them, when they first migrated to the Osami City, diri sila nagsumpay-sumpay og mga tindahan. So if you can remember, ang karaan nga New Lamchong, which was still Sin Lamchong, is kani, mo ni siya. So ang kani siya, New Lamchong is currently 100 years old na si New Lamchong karong tuiga. So this will be our 100-year anniversary si New Lamchong. So if you can think of it that way, some of the businesses in the Filipino-Chinese community existed even before Osamis became a city. So that's why ang significance kung anong ning balik ta diri sa atong ahat na nagikan sa Burgos Street.
So nadyo din siya kanang significance sa ato.
Na siya cultural and historical significance to our community.
Imo na siguro ang sir dapit sa tuang mga pag-invite nimo no sa tuang mga Usamisdons, Misamisdons nga bisita sa tuang night market.
Yes sir. So not just to the Usamisdons and the Misamisdons, but I would like to extend this invite to all the Filipinos nga gusto mo suroy diri sa Osamis City. Because basin ba nga wala lang ninyo na maybe you did not consider Osamis or Misamis Occidental to be one of your tourist destinations, but once you come here to Osamis City, you or Misamis Occidental, you will see that Misamis Occidental actually has so many things to offer. So wala lang kayo na siya nahibawan pa sa uban because it's still new and it's very fast kaya nga to ang pag-grow as a province. Daghan kita mga tourist destinations nga sunod-sunod og abri. That is the vision of our good governor, our congressman, our mayors in Misamis Occidental nga gipaspasan gid nila nga mo improve ang Misamis Occidental for the benefit of the Misamisnons. And I would like to invite everyone to come to Osamis for this event and then to stay in Misamis Occidental for our other tourist destinations such as our AGG, to ang Amurap which is still ongoing, and so many things. If you come here now and you come here next year, daghan kayo mo mabisitahan diri sa Misamis Occidental and ito Osamis City.
Salamat sir.
Good evening, everyone. May gabi sa tanan. We are very excited to be here in our very first Chinese New Year event for, I think, if I'm not mistaken, in the city of Osamis. This is our very first in the history of our city that we have this event. We could celebrate Chinese New Year together with all the Osamisnons. And this event will not be possible and will not be a success without the support of our LGU, headed by our city mayor, our very own Mayor Sam Norman Fuentes, as well as Vice Mayor Leticia Bibineri and all our city councilors. And may I be the first one to greet all of you. Kyung Hee Hot Tsai. We are now in the year of the fire horse, and may I wish everyone success and progress together with our partners in progress, our partners with the government, the city government, LGU, Osamis, as well as our uncles in Osamis Filipino-Chinese Chamber of Commerce. A big shout out to all of them. Without them, this event will not be possible also. So without further ado, may we request our very own President of the Osamis Filipino-Chinese Chamber of Commerce, Engineer Kerwin C., to have a welcome address.
So, stand here before you today. I am happy, I am grateful, and I am honored. I'm very happy, and we are very happy that the city not only allowed us to have this activity, but they also supported us with all the resources that they can give us. So, wala lang takitabangan sa city na by allowing it, pero most of the decoration, ato ang arko, ato ang lights, lanterns, our men in uniform, women in uniform, gihatag sa ato ang LGU sa Ascenso Osamis for our safety, for our security. I am grateful for that, and I am also honored because living in the Philippines, I was born, I was raised here, but we're also very honored because we are able to showcase culture, share the culture of the Chinese community. Because for now, most of us, we know Chinese for the Chinese food. Pero karon, tonight, you may also experience the different entertainment, the different dance, song numbers from the students and alumni of MUHS. Now on top of that, if you visit our booth, you will also see mga not so common nga mga Chinese delicacies and mga dili ninyo makita usually sa ato ang lugar. So I invite all of you na mo visit sa mga booth. Ilawin ninyo itong mga dili familiar sa inyo ha, kaya basin makauyon mo. So with that, I also thank our Mayor Sam Norman Fuentes for supporting together with the Vice Mayor Bibi Neri, all the councilors, and I would also like to thank the Board of Trustees, the officers, the members of the Filipino-Chinese Chamber of Commerce for coming together with the LGU for this ambitious collaboration. So these people are not just skilled, but they are magicians because it took us a very short time para i-organize ni, and we are very happy to see all the faces here supporting, enjoying the entertainment tonight. And we hope that for the whole week you will come back, you will try all the food, you will enjoy all the activities that we have to offer. And with that, I would like to call on our chairman, Sir Arthur Chan, for some words about the tradition of this Chinese New Year tradition. So, thank you, and please stay until the end. Kaya nakapatay mga activities, and we have fireworks as our grand finale. We have lion dance, we have presentations. So, Sir Arthur.
Maayong gabi! Wow, bibo kayo. So I'm so happy that this event is supported by the Osamis Nuns. So, maayong gabi, Vice Mayor and Honorable City Councilors and my colleagues in Osamis Filipino-Chinese Chamber of Commerce, led by President Kerwin C. Happy Chinese New Year. Kiong Hi Huat Chai. Sa English pa, congratulations. May prosperity be with you. Kung sa Binisayaw na to, congratulations. Mo asinso ka. So, the Philippines is a melting pot. We have different cultures from different provinces. We have different cultures from different religions, and also different cultures from different ethnic group. We have beside the majority Filipino, with Malay culture. We have we have Japanese, Korean, and also majority. There's a certain 3% of our population, the Chinese community. So we are so blessed that we can share the good values, the good culture from each other. So, ang Chinese New Year, just like ato ang Noche Buena, tonight, Monday New Year Eve, no? So, mura atong Noche Buena nga mag-gathering, mag-reunion ang pamilya. Kung dito sa, I just talked to a company salesperson in China, February 13, bakasyon na sila. Balik sila trabaho, February 28. So, almost 2 weeks, ilahang celebration. So, muuli sila sa ilang probinsya, mag-reunion sa ilang pamilya. That's the common, that's what I find a common culture sa bisan na asay culture nga give love to our families and take this opportunity to share, to be together. So I think that is universal. Love is universal. So ato ang culture unsa pa may mas lami kaysa lami nga pagkaon. So ato ang Osamis nun, open na ang atong stores. So enjoy the good food, and I hope this event, this is the first time, so this is a trial. So I hope next year this will be even more successful, more prepared, molambo ta, mahimo ni of attraction sa Osamis City. Good evening, thank you very much.
Thank you very much for that insightful message, Chairman Arthur, as well as our President Kerwin C. And now we also want to, for the information of everyone, we also want to let you know that we have a registration for our upcoming fun run in February 22, the chamber run in the side of Chowking in that night market area. If you're interested, please go and visit the booth. And tonight, to keep us entertained, we have our a set of dance numbers, and we are thankful also for the LGU earlier. Our planning was really short, to be honest. I think we just had a meeting on the first week of February, then the second meeting is last week, and then event na dayon, Murag magic, just like what our president said. But we also want to thank God for to give us this event and for making this event a successful one. So to keep us entertained, let's all welcome a dance number, a rhythm dance by Emilu Dance Troupe. A round of applause. That was a dance that showcased our Chinese culture, and after that, we also have a song number. Let us allow these three young girls to serenade us with Chinese songs. Let's all give them a round of applause.